Hello everyone! If you already have Linux Mint installed on your USB drive, then it's time to plug it in and get ready to boot up. Let's open up our VirtualBox by Oracle. Inside of VirtualBox, you will select the blue cog at the top that says New. This will allow us to create a new host environment that we'll be able to load our USB from. Since we're going to be booting the image from the USB, we're not going to select an image here. Next, let's make some adjustments to our new setup. It's a good idea to give it as much green space as possible, depending on your computer. This ensures that your programs run properly. Make sure you check the box to enable EFI. Next, we want to select Do Not Add a Virtual Disk. Finally, we want to verify that all our settings are correct. Looks good. Let's click the Finish button. When the warning box pops up, go ahead and select Continue. Now we need to make some adjustments to the settings. Make sure the new environment is highlighted and click on the Settings icon. Then select the USB tab. On the side of the USB box, find the green plus sign and click on it to show your available USB devices. Select the USB device that you wish to attach to your VM and click OK to save the changes. Now we're ready to boot our USB. Click on Start and the virtual host will pop up in another window. If you're having issues with your USB being recognized, go ahead and type the words connect dash and a lowercase r right here in this terminal. This will allow you to manually connect to your USB. Next, we will type the words map and then a dash r to verify that our USB is connected. We can see from the output that our USB is now readable in the FS0 directory shown here. We can go further to find the boot file command we need to run our program. In the terminal here, type in FS0 followed by a colon sign and press enter. Now type the ls command to show us the file stored in this directory. So let's look into the EFI file using the cd command. Let's type in the file name of our bootloader here in the terminal and hit enter to run the program. Now for the fun part. Simply hit enter on the option to start Linux Mint. Depending on your PC, this may take a while. Success! Mint has a ton of cool features you can use, and everything is super user-friendly. If you haven't downloaded Mint to your USB drive yet, then what are you waiting for? It's super easy to do. Just click on the video in the suggestion panel.